guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello, welcome to my channel. I'm really excited to have you guys here. This video is going to be a few days in my life in New York City, working in digital marketing, and just a very realistic vlog about what days in my life in New York actually look like. I start my day off by making my bed and drinking my coffee in peace, and then follow that up with a 15-minute meditation with peaceful meditation music playing in the background. And then I also spend some time journaling in the morning, writing about my future goals, my visions for the next year and stuff like that, and then also try to read a book sometimes. On this particular morning, I was gonna go to the office and work out of there because I wanted like a big screen, and I hadn't gone to the office since like 8 months or so because of the pandemic. So I decided to make my breakfast and also this little veggie wrap for lunch. I always thought you were a front seat Cadillac burning up the town. I want to quickly show you guys my outfit for the day. It's pretty cold out. It's like 0 degrees today, so I'm trying to stay warm. So I'm wearing this turtleneck from, I think this was Zara. It's like super old. And then this little necklace, and I'm wearing these high waist pants. And then this sweater vest was so hard to get. It's from H&M, but it kept running out of stock until I finally found like a size large, and I was like, I'm gonna get it because it's never gonna be in stock in my size. So I got this. So I'm already pretty warm. Like I'm feeling pretty warm inside, but I know once I go out it's gonna be super cold. So I'm wearing these boots as well. And to combat the cold, I'm bringing my ugly winter jacket that I will put on once I head out, and also my gloves. But yeah, this is my outfit for today. It felt so weird being in the office after so long, and these flowers clearly needed to be thrown out, but it's been 8 months since I left them there. And now I'm gonna let you guys enjoy this little montage of me working in the office, and this is how I usually spend my day there. Good, I'm at the office. It's really peaceful. Yeah, so I was just trying to understand how many social reports we're doing for November. So I'm just gonna share my screen. This is the one we usually do, the organic social whole digital marketing report, or do we want to do 2 separate detailed reports?
So I canceled the meeting. We're not gonna have it this month. So he really congratulated our effort there, so wanted to share that.
After work, I decided to stop by at Trader Joe's for some groceries because I don't live close to one, but there is one really close to my office. So I was in the area and thought it would be great to pick up some groceries, but I ended up, as you can see, with a shit ton of groceries as usual. So I just came back from Trader Joe's. Every time I go there, it's not super close to where I live. So I try to keep everything like to a minimal and just get everything that I absolutely need. And somehow it turns out that every single time it's about like 5 bags. So I'm gonna do a huge Trader Joe's grocery haul. I got these fries. I always get these because I love just making myself a snack when I'm hungry. Got these little samosas, the frozen ones. And then I got 2 of these vegetable spring rolls. I absolutely love these when I make like rice or fried rice or something, and I just have these on the side, so I love them. And then there's this curry. It's frozen for the days I really don't want to cook, but I also want to eat healthy. Veggie burgers, vegetable bird's nest. I have tried this like 1 time before. It took a while to like make in the oven, but it was super yummy. Another frozen Thai curry because for the days I don't want to cook. This is great. I got this tiramisu. I think it's frozen tiramisu, and you just like throw it in the fridge and then it's ready to eat. But I thought this would be really nice to eat on Christmas Day. I got some berries. I always get these because I like making frozen or smoothie bowls, but like with acai in it. So I also got frozen acai, which should be in some bag here, but then I like throwing in the berries, bananas and all of that in there. So the berries and acai are for that. And then 2 of these matcha green tea ice creams. These are absolutely yummy. I got the cilantro and jalapeno hummus, great for breakfast. Some frozen vegetables. I have some carrots. I have some stuffed gnocchi. This is really good. If you haven't tried this, you really should. I love this. Some frozen waffles. I've been loving like waffle breakfast on Sundays, so I got that for that. These are the acai packets that I was talking about. These aren't the ones I usually get, but they didn't have the ones I usually get. More curry packets. I really like these ready-made curry packets. You just have to like heat them up in warm water and they're good to go. I love eating these with rotis. Chunk of mozzarella cheese. I like using this to make, I like throwing it in like basil pesto sandwiches. And then if you haven't tried this, you really should. It's amazing. The chili onion crunch. I throw this on pastas, my sandwiches, my breakfast toast. It tastes really good. And then we have some vegetables. I have some romaine lettuce, some corn, some Brussels sprouts, zucchini, and then asparagus. I'm going to, oh my god, how am I gonna fit all this in my fridge? I also got 2 veggie pizzas. The veggie pizzas are usually like so expensive on Amazon Fresh and everywhere. And Trader Joe's, they're just like $5. So I love stocking up on those when I go there. And then some hazelnut coffee creamer. I like this in my coffee every morning. I got some lemonade and some oat milk that I use to make my matcha latte. I have some pasta sauce. I got some linguine, spinach and chive pasta, and then I like this pesto sauce. I use this in pastas, and I also make my basil pesto sandwiches with this. And then I got some berries. I always buy like blueberries, raspberries and blackberries. Yeah, blackberries again for my smoothie bowls. I also buy granola for my smoothie bowls. Maybe I'll film myself making it because they're like super nice and really feels like you're eating ice cream. I got this trail mix. It has almonds, chocolates and cashews. And then I also like to buy, when I go to Trader Joe's, these chocolate covered almonds. I love to snack on these when I'm working because I usually always get hungry and then I end up eating unhealthy snacks. But I'm very proud of myself this time because every time I go to Trader Joe's, I buy like unnecessarily. I buy a lot of chips and different kinds of snacks, but this time I only got one. I got the potato chips and that's it. I tried to buy mostly either frozen meals, fruits, vegetables, and like pasta and stuff. Got some avocados, some bananas. Most of the fruits that I got are all for my smoothie bowls. And then some bread. I like the San Francisco style multigrain sourdough bread. This is my favorite Trader Joe's bread. And then I buy these corn tortillas for like the nights that I want to just make a simple taco recipe. I have some tomatoes for my salads, garbanzo beans. This is my favorite. I love these butter croissants from Trader Joe's. I usually buy the frozen chocolate croissants, but those have started feeling a little bit too much for me now. So I just got these plain butter croissants. And finally, I got these Ritter Sport milk chocolate with hazelnuts. This is honestly the only chocolate I've been eating for the last 3 months or so. I am obsessed with it. And I also got this new one I want to try, milk chocolate with butter biscuit and cocoa cream. I want to try what this tastes like, so we will see. And that brings us to the end of my Trader Joe's haul. I know it's scary. There's a lot of food, but I do this once every month and a half, and all of this lasts me like 30 or 40 days. I'm very pleased with my Trader Joe's system. I'm gonna put all of this away and then I'm gonna get out of my work clothes, change. I'm making a pizza for dinner. I'm using this oat cleansing balm from the Hinky list to take my makeup off. I have seen this a lot on TikTok, and as usual, a lot of my skincare choices recently are TikTok informed. So I've been using it for about 3 days now, and I think it does a great job of taking all the makeup off, especially my mascara, because I find that it always tends to like cling to my skin. We're coming up on almost 3 months since I started this YouTube channel, and I want to say to all of you that watch my videos, I'm so thankful to you. YouTube has been a great outlet for me because I stopped feeling creative on Instagram, like I've said in my previous vlogs, but I've just got that excitement back since I've been on YouTube. And although it's very hard to grow on a platform from zero, and so I want to say I appreciate all of you who continually watch my videos, and if you're new here, I want to thank you for being here too and helping my channel in whatever way that you are. I hope that you will stick around on this journey with me where I start from zero and we will see where it goes. All right, here we go with my pizza that I made. I overcooked it for just a minute. That's why these edges are a little bit crusty, but I like it like that. And then I also had some leftover fries, so I just threw them in there, threw them in the oven with the pizza. But yeah, I'm so excited to eat this meal. I know it's not the healthiest, but I just didn't end up eating pretty good today because I was at work, and then I just got busy, and when I get busy I forget to eat sometimes. So I'm actually very hungry, and so I think this will be a great treat. The next day I decided to do a whole deep clean of my house, including sweeping the floors, mopping them, washing my clothes, washing the carpets in the house, washing the curtains. So that took a while, and I spent a lot of time at the laundromat, and this one was just a very chores heavy day. Just got back from the laundromat. Did a bunch of laundry. I stripped my couch completely and washed the covers. I just wanted the house to be really nice and clean, like before Christmas. Washed the bathroom mats, the bathroom curtain, and now since I stripped the couch and washed it, I have to go put the covers back and then fold the rest of my laundry. So there's a lot to do, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I was super tired from all the chores, and so I decided to end my night with a really relaxing bubble bath, and then also reading my book, burning my new candle from Bath & Body Works, and then eating my favorite matcha ice cream from Trader Joe's. Over the weekend, we went to the Guggenheim Museum. This museum is supposed to be one of the best museums in the world, but we thought it was kind of underwhelming, and I still prefer the Met in New York City over any other museum that I've been to. The next morning, I woke up to some pretty heavy snow because we had a snowstorm in New York City, and I decided to get some clips of it and walk around a little bit because I literally love the snow so much, and walking in the snow in New York City in December just makes you feel like you're in a winter wonderland. So enjoy these clips of me just walking in the snow and enjoying it.
Find a remedy, hoping for better days to come. Memories of flickering shadows, cold nights, hearing the wind blows the snowflakes, reminds me of something gone. Send me lights and angels, help me through the changes, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night.